Hi guys, and welcome to the second Python test to see if you're a Python pro. Let's start. If you want to detect something, what do you put in the script? I'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Time's up. 10 points for who guessed it. It's if. Next, if you want to make an unanswerable question, what do you put in the script? 1, 2, 3. Time's up. 40 points for who guessed it. Input. And my question, if you put the variable in the input. Repeat. Okay. What is the line of code you use to make a limited loop? 1, 2, 3. Time's up. 100 points for who guessed it. Next. What is the line of code you use to make an unlimited loop? 1, 2, 3. None of those. It's while true and while true. This one is true too. Okay, this is the end of the video. If you want more tests, then subscribe to my channel. And if you got them all right, then you're a Python pro. So, congratulations. Goodbye guys. Python on.